Sustainable Steps project welcomes you all to this video on soil types and the best ways to improve their health. Soil is the foundation of every thriving garden and healthy farm. But not all soils are the same. Each has its own texture, nutrient profile, and water behavior, and therefore different necessities. Understanding the type of soil we're working with is the first step towards making it more healthy, sustainable, and productive. In this video, we'll explore different types of soil and learn the best techniques to improve each one. Whether you're planning on growing vegetables in your backyard or managing a field, these practices can help you get the most out of your soil. Soils can be very different, from how they feel, to how they drain, to how many nutrients they hold, and even how acidic or alkaline they are. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the most common soil types: sandy, clay, silty, and loamy soils. Sandy soil appears light and feels gritty. It drains quickly and holds little water or nutrients. Clay soil is heavy and sticky when wet, but looks hard and cracked when dry. It has poor drainage, but can be very fertile when managed well. Silty soil is smooth and soft, holds moisture better than sand but compacts easily. Loamy soil is the ideal mix of sand, silt, and clay. It is crumbly, fertile, and easy to work with. Some soils are characterized by different pH levels, which means how acidic or alkaline the soil is. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14. Lower numbers mean more acidic, higher numbers mean more alkaline, and around 6 to 7 is considered neutral. The pH level affects which nutrients are available to the plants and which crops will grow best. Soil is acidic when its pH is below 6. This type of soil is often found in forested areas. When its pH is above 7, the soil is alkaline. This pH level is usually found in arid or calcareous regions. When it comes to sandy soil, the main challenge is poor water and nutrient retention. We can start by adding compost or well-rotted manure. This helps the soil hold onto both moisture and nutrients. Next, we can apply mulch to reduce evaporation and prevent nutrients from washing away. We can also grow green manures like clover or rye to boost organic matter and improve the soil structure over time. Clay soil is dense and heavy. It holds water very well and often becomes compacted. To improve it, we can mix in compost and some sand, which lightens the soil and improves aeration. We can apply a layer of organic mulch to keep the surface soft and prevent crusting. Overwatering should be avoided because clay retains moisture, so too much can lead to waterlogging. To break up compacted clay naturally, we can grow green manures like mustard or buckwheat. Since silty soil compacts easily, adding compost improves its structure and allows better drainage, while applying mulch would reduce the risk of erosion and waterlogging. Be careful not to walk on silty soil when it's wet. It's better to use paths or raised beds to protect it. Loamy soil has the perfect mix of sand, silt, and clay. To keep it this way, we can add compost regularly to maintain fertility and use crop rotation to prevent nutrient depletion and avoid the accumulation of parasites. Mulching would also help retain moisture and keep weeds under control. Acidic soil has a low pH level, but we can raise it by adding lime or using compost made from neutral or alkaline materials to slowly bring the pH into balance. Alkaline soil has a high pH and can limit nutrient availability for some plants. To lower it gently, we can add organic matter and elemental sulfur over time. If available and sustainably sourced, composted pine needles or peat can also help. Knowing your soil type goes beyond science. It's the key to making informed choices for your garden or farm. Start by simply taking a closer look at your soil. Is it gritty? Sticky? Does water drain fast or pool on the surface? With a few adjustments, even difficult soils can become fertile, healthy, and full of life. Of course, these methods don't work exactly the same for everyone, but you can adjust them to fit your needs. Whether you're growing food in a backyard, a farm, or a school garden, understanding your soil type helps you make smarter choices for both your crops and for the planet. So, healthy soil means healthy plants and better harvests, and by choosing the right techniques for your soil type, you're investing in long-term sustainability. Like, share, or comment below if you've tried any of these methods. or if you have tips of your own. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more sustainable steps learning resources. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.